Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to add a 60-second story to Instagram. Write if my solution helped you, if you managed to do this. If you still have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. Next, select the account where we want to upload the story. Then click on the main page, and in the upper right corner, click on Add Story. Then you see I have a story here. I have a video that goes 1 minute 40 seconds. Click on Add this video. Mute it, and as you can see, we can select a segment. Exactly 1 minute, where we're going to publish it to the story. So we can choose a section. Look, we can do less, we can do more. As you can see, up to 60 seconds. So we can trim, we can do less, we can do more. We've chosen, then we press done. Then we can type some text, or add some emoticons. Add your location, add the time, and so on. And after that, click publish. Once it's published, our story will go 60 seconds long on Instagram. If you liked this video, you then click publish, or better yet, friend or share the story, and it's published. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Write whether my solution helped. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.